welcome to this video. Today I'm gonna show you my setup, so I recorded it on my phone and talk it through. And if anyone is wondering where you can get all of this, I will link all the stuff that I have down below in the description. So let's get into the time lapse and let's get into the video. So if you're coming and this is my setup, I got 2 discs. It's just 2 discs put together. One is from IKEA, the one is my mom that had it, and then I got it because it's a long one. That's my main. Then I have a side one right here. What do I have? I have some storage to put some stuff on. I got my speaker that's just charging. That's why I cable. I got a picture of myself, small little Jonas right there. Yes. We got our plants because it's a fake plant. It's not a real. It's fake. What? But when it comes to it, what do we start with? We're gonna start with the peripherals or equipment, as you say. So this is my mic HyperX Quadcast. So then we have my mouse. The mouse is a Viper Ultimate in the color of pink, and I gotta say it is a very good mouse. When it comes to the keyboard, Logitech as well as the G90 Logitech G950 TKL 75%. It is tactile switches. I'm actually preparing to build a custom myself, so tune on that. But yep, got the keyboard, really good. I love it, and I love the low profile. It's amazing. And we got some supporters to my wrist when I'm writing. And I don't know what they call it, but I'll put a link to all of what I have on my setup so you don't miss it out if you're wondering what I got, and if you want to buy it and if you're interested. Then I got my Razer, my trusty headset, my Razer Black Shark V2 Pro, and I gotta say it's a very comfy headset. Battery life good, sound amazing. It does have a mic, but I don't use it because I have the HyperX on. I have it off, but great, really comfy and really good headset, and it's looking actually pretty good and not that huge. Very comfy and I love it. Then for more we got our earbuds, because I always have them, because why not? I may be using them sometimes instead of putting on headset. I actually like to sometimes use this. But then we have our Elgato Stream Deck, and we got some different scenes and some stuff. It is amazing. So we got the different stuff. Then we also got a webcam, and that is the Razer Hero Pro 1080p 60 fps, have HDR, but you're gonna look some FPS. What else as a equipment? We have a lamp. That's equipment too. Gives me light. Then we have a Google Home, because I have smart lighting in my home, and I also have a smart lighting to my PC. So when I shut it all down, I shut my smart switch to save power, because right now in Denmark we have inflation. But then we also have a chair. I don't know what the chair is. I rent it from my mom, but I'm soon gonna probably buy one chair, and that's probably gonna be the Corsair chair or Secret Labs. Depends on how much money I have, because Secret Labs is expensive and Corsair it's less expensive. Then we come to the screens. I have 2 screens. I'm looking for to upgrade this and then get a third one that is both 4040p, because right now I only have one, and I actually want 3 because I love 4040p. I gotta say it's amazing. This is a 23.8 inches, not 24, 23.8 inches. It's BenQ TN 140 Hz panel, 1080p. This is damn 2K or 4040p, 2K or 4040p. You can say it in between. It's both 2K, but it's also 4040p. Some people call 2K, some people say 4040p. I say 4040p.
Oh, now I see. Now I get it.
It's the Odyssey G7 from Samsung, VA 1000 curve, and a refresh rate of 240 Hz. Have a HDR on if you want it. I'm not using it. Then a backlight, of course. There's a backlight on it. Great monitor. Amazing monitor. I like the curve, maybe not for everyone, but it's a good curved. But yeah, this is my screen layout. I have one there, and I'm looking forward to get a third right there, and then switch this out. So I got 2 4040p in the end. So I got 3 screens. But then we come to the big thing, the PC. Yes, the PC is important. PC. It's in the height 60. If you don't know the case, watch my video. I will pop a card up here somewhere in the top of the YouTube video, and then you can see what this case about. I'm reviewing it. talking about it on how it is. So this is 60. Amazing case, vertical mounting. What do I have in it? I have a Ryzen 9 7900X. So it's the new 7000 CPUs, 12 cores. I got an X670E motherboard and DDR5 RAM that is 2 sticks of 16 gig, and then I got a 360 Rad that is a Corsair LCD cooler with the new fans that came out, and then a 3060 Ti vertical mounting. And then I got 2 terabytes and 3 terabytes of MV, M.2 MV storage. Got a lot of fans, you know. But that's pretty much about the specs. Also 850 watts power supply, but I will put it all down, link in the description if you want to know. Then we comes to the cable management. If you want to see this disgusting part. Got some pretty good actually cable management. This is to just the power and all stuff running down. Then we got the cable right there and the cable for that. So, but this is more likely a little bit. And so, most of the time I'm running wireless chat. I'm running because I have Wi-Fi built in, so I'm running mostly on that. But the cable management, I will say so, is not the worst. Also got some storage down here and a cola and love screws. But as you see, the cable management not the worst. We got the 2 clamps to the 2 monitors arms. The cable's running from both screens to this corner where I have a power brick down here to all of powering all of this. As you can see, a smart plug actually to control it with my Google Home. So then we got some pictures, and we got 2 lightsabers right there, both in different colors, so it match this color setup I have. That is purple, light blue, and pinkish, and white, of course. And we got also XL mouse pad. So this is pretty much for my setup 2023.
Welcome back. Hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, remember to like, subscribe, click on that bell ding-a-ling-a-ling so you get notifications when I'm going to put a new video out on this channel. So you stay safe, stay amazing, stay awesome, stay with the good vibes, stay with the positivity. Let's get through these days. Got this, and see you on next video.